I hope you enjoyed the course and got a lot of value out of it. Before you go, let me ask you this question. What are you doing with your intellectual property? Okay, if the answer is nothing, then nothing is going to happen. You know, most innovators get stuck in several places. They either don't know where to start, who to contact, or how to pitch, or even worse, they get stuck chasing the wrong partner. That's why I created the IP Licensing Coach Academy, because I saw that there is a gap in the market and a lack of understanding and know-how and the correct type of information for folks such as yourself. It's built on my over 35 years of experience in licensing all types of deals, from large studios all the way down to startups, independents, and everything in between. What you'll find inside the IP Licensing Coach Academy is not a bunch of fluff or academic or theory. Inside is a step-by-step roadmap to organize, set up, and launch your campaign in 8 weeks or less. Now, if you're not ready to do that, that's okay, because you can join the Academy for free, and you're going to get lots of great tools and resources to help move you forward toward that goal. As a member, you'll get access to templates, checklists, and tools that actually work, because they're the same tools and checklists that I use with my current clients and past clients to organize, develop, and launch their licensing campaigns. And I think you'll also find a lot of value in the articles, value in these workshops, and value in receiving my newsletter, where every week you'll receive an insight, an update, a tip, strategy, and know-how to help you understand licensing better and how to apply it to your intellectual property. Whether you're a startup, business owner, operating company, if you've never done licensing, if you've started tinkering with licensing, even if you're in the middle of a licensing deal and are not sure how to proceed, the IP Licensing Coach Academy can help you do all of that and more. So let me ask you, are you ready to do something with your intellectual property? If the answer is yes, then join the Academy today for free. You can sign up at the IPLicensingCoachAcademy.com website. And as a member, you'll be starting your journey toward building your licensing success. Thanks, and I look forward to having you as a member of the Academy.